Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the quickest way to send money to somebody on Binance. So, let's open Binance. Let's quickly switch to Pro user. Once we have done that, now you can click more on the front page. And where it says send right here, just click that. Here you can enter your friend, relative, or whoever you want to send money to, your phone, your Pay ID, Binance ID, your email, or whatever. So here you just enter whatever you want, the email or whoever. Let's say Dr. Helto, and click continue. But as you can see, if they aren't available, you won't be able to. So here I'm just going to enter an email real quick. And then it will just ask me what funds I want to add to it and how much, and just click next. It will give the fee, and that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. See you next time and have a nice day.